Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign up with GitHub. You sign up on GitHub rather. I'm going to show you step by step how to go ahead to perform tasks on GitHub. Tasks like creating a team, an organization, and also a repository, all on GitHub, guys. So stay tuned. And for those who are hearing it for the first time, GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration, and it allows you and others to work together on projects from anywhere. So that is simply what GitHub is all about. Right, guys, so let's jump into it. So for those who don't know how to find GitHub, I would say to you guys, go to the internet and type in GitHub and you'll find this as a first result. You can find this site on github.com, which is the site we're on right now, which is this site right here. So let's go to the right hand corner of the screen and click on sign up right here. Click right there, and obviously if you have an account with GitHub, you should click on sign in and use your name and your password to log in, or your email and password. So guys, let's sign up right here. Okay guys, we're on this page and it says here, welcome to GitHub, let's begin the adventure. At this point we need to add our email. Okay, so let me just paste my email right here and click on continue. And now it's requesting my password. I'm going to say my password is okay, something like that. Okay, let's see. My password is strong enough. That's a good thing. And then I click on continue, which is right here. And it says enter a username. So please guys, enter a username right here, and it has to be unique. Alright, so I'm going to add, let's see, I'm going to make mine Bruno EO 45. And that is available, so that's good. I'm going to click on continue. And it says here, would you like to receive product updates and announcements through email? I'm going to say yes. It says type Y for yes and N for no. I'm going to say Y for yes and continue. And here it says here, I'm required to solve a puzzle to prove that I'm a human being. So I'm going to say start puzzle. And it says here, pick one square that shows two identical objects. I'm going to choose, what square is that now? This is the square I'm going to choose right here. And I'm not sure what pops up on your screen, but just go ahead to prove that you're a human being. I'm not a bot. So this is the one that appears to be identical. And it's happy with that. And at this point, I should click on create account. Click right there and you're onto this page. And here you can see right here that the code has been sent to my email. So I'll go to my email quickly and grab this code. All right, so let me go to my email. And this is my email, and GitHub has already sent me the code. I'm going to grab it right here. Okay, and this is the code. I'm going to copy it quickly and go to GitHub and paste it. And it leads me onto this page. All right, so it says here, welcome to GitHub. We're glad you're here. How many team members will you be working with? I'm going to say just me. But if you have team members, 2 to 5, just choose the right number. And if you're a student or teacher, choose the right one here. I'm going to choose student and click on continue. Now onto the next page here. It says here, the tools you need to build what you want. All right. So at this point, you're not sure how far you go with GitHub, but in the future, you probably go as far as possible. So I would say click all these items here, all the options here. Okay, click all the options here because all these options will probably be needed or required by yourself in the future. So click all the options and let's proceed to the next page. Okay, so go ahead and click on continue. And now you'll be on this page. At this point, GitHub wants you to choose the account level you'd like to start off with. And here it says free and GitHub Pro. So please choose the one that applies to you. I would say perhaps you just start with the free and progress as things go on. You can switch to the pro later. Okay, let's go to the free. Okay, and you can see loading. And now it displays our dashboard. And this is what you find when you first sign up with GitHub. This is your dashboard and shows you here pull request issues, code spaces, marketplace explore. It shows you as well the right hand corner where you have your profile and you can go ahead to set the status here, your profile, edit your profile. You click right here, it gives you various options here. It tells you how you can edit your profile and you're able to add a name, a bio, you're able to add a company, location, website, and also your social media links right here. All right. So also on this right hand side, you can see a plus button here. This button here enables you to create an organization and also a repository, a code space, and all these here, including a new project. All right. So next to the left, the plus button, you have the notification button. So for instance, if there is an update that you're meant to know about, perhaps you have a message from a team member or an update made to a code, you can find that here, right here. This shows you that there's been a message or a new incident for you to explore. So that's what you find here. All right. So the next thing we'll do, guys, is we need to create a repository, rather an organization to start with. So we'll go right here to the right hand corner here, click right here, and it says here profile. The next one here, you can see right here, it gives us the chance to create an organization, a new organization right here. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, and it says here pick a plan for your organization. All right, so as we saw earlier, guys, we're able to choose the GitHub Pro or the free plan for the GitHub account, and now it's time for the organization. Here we can choose monthly or yearly, but I would say to you go for free for now. So I'm going to choose the free one, and then it's time to set up the organization name and the contact email address. Let's just say um, uh, let's just say we go for okay, we go for DevOps, DevOps Team 1. Okay, Team 1. Right? That's already taken. It says DevOps Team 19. Okay, okay, that's available. And now we need the contact email address. I'm going to paste the same email address that I put for my account. Okay, this is not it. I'm going to copy it. Go ahead and copy that email address. So guys, put the email address you would like to use for your organization. Okay, now that I have my email, I can paste my email right here and click here. This organization belongs to my personal account or business account. I'm going to say personal. And then next, it says here, verify your account. It says click on verify here. And it takes me to another puzzle to prove I'm human. So I'm going to choose the identical box, the box with identical objects. So let's go here and look at the one with identical objects. I think it's going to be this one right here. Not sure, but I think so. Okay, that one, and they're happy with that. Next, you click on this box right here, and then you go to next. It leads us to this page, and then we're able to put here it says here add organization members here. You're able to add the members of the organization. You can skip this stage if you want to, but this one you add the members here, you can start to add them by email or by their full name. Okay, so and also by the username. So these are the options you can add here to complete this step. If you're happy with this, guys, you can skip this step and just go ahead. Okay, so once you're in here, you have created an organization successfully, which is called DevOps Team 19, as you can see right here. So that is your first organization. If you decide to create a team in the organization, you can click on team right here and do the needful. Go here and create new team right here. And you're able to add the team members' email addresses right here. Let's add an email address right here. Okay. Okay. and it says here, what is this team all about? Let's say a team name. This is for team name. Sorry, guys, that was my error. A team name. So we are creating a new team. I got it all twisted. Sorry. Let's say the team name is going to be let me say DevOps uh, beginners. Okay. So this is for our team name, okay? Not team members. Sorry about that, guys. This is the description of our team. So click here what the team is all about. Let's say one would say this would say um DevOps DevOps new hires, okay? New hires. And then would now click on the team visibility. Here we choose whether I want it to be private or public or visible to everyone. Okay, so let's click on visible here and click on create team and go on to the next page. And at this point, guys, our team has been created in that organization. All right, so if we choose to add members to the team, guys, we're able to go here, right here, and add members to this. Okay, we can add a member here if we want to, because we're in DevOps team 19, as you can see right here. So we can choose to add members here, okay, if we want to. But now we have a team here, DevOps beginners in this organization. That is fantastic, all right? And here you can see that our team here has just one member, as you can see right here, one member. And the more you add team members, guys, you have more people listed down here. You have them as, more members right here. Right here, you can see this is only one member. So that is what that's all about. All right, guys. So next thing with you guys is to create, let's look to add members to our team. Right. So to add members to our team, what we need to do is to simply go to the team created right here, DevOps beginners, click right here, and you can see where it says here, member here. You're able to add members to your team, as you can see right here. All right, you can add a member right here by clicking the plus button. Right, you can add a member here by using their email address or their full name or username. So let's give, for instance, let's say we do this. So this is an email I'm entering right here. Okay, they were invited to this team that I created right here. If I click on the plus button right here, now we'll do that right away. So and I will invite them. So what happens is anyone who's got that email will get an invite, a message from GitHub saying that this account holder right here, this username here, has invited them to join this team right here. So that's how it works here. And this is a team that is joining right here. This so this individual here has invited them to join this team, DevOps beginners. That's how it works, guys. And once they accept it, guys, their name will be listed as a team member on the account. So that's how it works, guys. So we have been able to create an organization. We've been able to create a team and also add members to our team. Next thing we'll do, guys, is to create a repository. Let's go back to our home page right here. And you can see here that this is our dashboard. Going to the right side, guys, you can see right here, you can create a repository either by going this way, clicking on this button right here, new repository, or you can even create it by clicking on this button right here to your left. It says create repository. So whichever you decide to create from is fine. Let's go right here and click on new repository. And here it says here repository name. We'll choose here, let's just say DevOps. Okay. And here let's click on description here. It's optional, guys, but this helps you to describe your repository the way you decide to based on what will be in the repository. Let's just say uh, uh, code bank for new projects. Yeah, let's do that. Let's choose whether a repository will be private or public. Obviously, if you're working on very confidential files, you like to make it private first of all before going public. So let's make it, let's choose um, public for now because we're just creating this as a demo. Okay, let's go right down here and click on create repository, and we're able to create a repository. This is a repository, as you can see right here, and that is done for now. Let's do one more thing, guys. Let's go back to the home page right here. Let's go back here and go back to our group, our organization that was set up right here. All right, let's go to view organization. Okay, let's go to team. Team. Let's go to this team right here. Okay, so what happens, guys, is you're also able to change or alter the sort of the access of your team members right here. So we did send an invite to a team member to join the team, but they haven't yet clicked on the button that says accept to join the team. So we can't see them here listed on as a team member. It says here one pending, right? So once they join, guys, we're able to edit the access to see whether they're able to read files or alter files. So that's also one thing that we can do on GitHub. So if we view our organization, for example, we go right here and click on organization, view organization, and we're on this page and we go to our team. Okay, we can see right here, click on our new team that we created. Okay, you can see that we have one pending invite here for a member. So if you click right here, you can see that this is the email of the member that we invited to join us, right? So what we can do, guys, for any reason you decide to change your mind, you can edit this invitation right here with the button here. Click right there and it opens up this page. You're able to edit their role in the organization as owner or as member. It tells you the member can see all members and can be granted access to repositories. And so it tells you as well what the owner can do right here below this. Okay, guys, so if you're able to, if you're happy with that, guys, you can proceed or you can decide to cancel the invitation if you change your mind. So that's one thing that you can do before they accept the invitation. So once you do this, guys, they will no longer be able to join the team. That is obvious. All right, guys, so that is a simple way to use GitHub, at least for a beginner. Create an account, create a repository, a team, an organization, and also add members to your team. All right, guys, so that is what we're covering in this video. We're keeping it short and simple. If it was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel as well, and let me know if you've been able to create a GitHub account. I hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.